Alternating bird dog. From here, we're going to get into all fours with our hands directly underneath our shoulders. Our palms and our hands should be wide open and about 6 inches apart. Our knees directly underneath our hips and about 6 inches apart. From here, we're going to lift opposite limbs simultaneously, reaching to opposite ends of the room or the gym. Trying to create length through our body and keeping a neutral spinal position. Bring it back down, shift your weight, lift the opposite set of limbs.